Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
During the Qing dynasty, immigrants, including the Hakka, began flooding into the town of Hukou because of its proximity to the train station. As the city developed, row after row of Western-style buildings were erected. Unfortunately, a new Hukou emerged and the old Hukou was abandoned until recently. Today, the Hukou Old Street, filled with designs reminiscent of the Baroque period, is one of Taiwan's best preserved old streets.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And since Leo is here, I really want him to take us around the island, go into different cities and towns that reflect the Hakka culture in Taiwan.
哦，好啊，好啊。我想到其實台灣很多老街，我們今天就來介紹這個老街。
Oh, is that how you say it? 老街. Okay, that's an old street. In fact, in every city here in Taiwan, you're always going to find an old street, and that's where the culture of that city originates from. Which old street are we going to?
我們去新竹的府口。
虎口。
对，以前虎口还蛮繁荣的，但是就是老街的地方。到后来就因为那个铁路它移位置了。铁路是什么你知道吗？
铁路是不是？
对，铁路啦，没错啦，
还蛮容易猜的。OK，
它移位置之后，那个火车站也跟着移位置。
火车站。
对。
So Leo is taking us to a township that's found in Hsinchu County, and it's called Hukou. And back in the days before they moved the train station, it was quite a busy town. And Leo actually just taught us two words in Hakka. First is train station, 火车站怎么说？
火车站。
火车站。And there's the railway that runs through it, 也就是铁路。铁路。
而且那个虎口老街其实它的特色还蛮凸显的。
OK，
它是整排的房子，两排的房子都是那种圆拱门的形状，它是那种巴洛克色的。
还蛮有那种欧洲气息的感觉。
对啊。
Okay, so if you go to Hukou, you can actually find some old architecture there. In fact, it's Baroque architecture that you can find on the old street, so it's quite unique and special. But today, if you want to go to the old street in Hukou, I don't think you can take a train there anymore. You have to go to the new station. 所以现在要到虎口老街的话，还是可以坐火车啦，但是不会直接到老街了，对不对？
对，不会，可能是到了那个新的虎口车站之后呢，还要搭个车才能到那边。
但是应该是很值得的。
对。
So it's still well worth the trip, even though the train station is a little off from the old street right now, but it's still very accessible. So there you go. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼泰嘎？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.